Brad Williams, Excel primed. How about random between dates? I've been using it quite a bit, so let me show you how we can incorporate that. Random between, and it's very straightforward. Random between, you use the date function, you set an early date and a later date. That's it. If you want to set up no weekends, you go workday, ran between, workday 1, workday 2. What's workday 1? Look down here, 1/1/29, 12/31/29. Why did I set it up this way? Just so if I want to change this information, I can. It's for convenience. And then workday, the date in working days from a date. Calculates a random number between two numbers. No weekend meeting dates. We use this -1/1. Start date -1/1, ran between. Produce random workdays. Add the workday function as follows. Workday ran between workday 1, workday 2, -1/1. The workday function ensures that the return date is a working day and not a weekend or holiday. I didn't show any of the holidays. All we're doing is excluding weekends. So if you want a holiday deal from the previous tutorials, you could just grab that information, the holiday dates, or create your own, put it in here. And then you can put the holidays also if that's important. You can see here holidays, optional, and days, the working days before or after the start date. The weekend function ensures that the return date is a working day and not a weekend or holiday. Workday will move dates that fall on weekends or holidays to the following working day. So you may see dates that extend beyond date 2. Hit F9, you can see Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Friday. You won't see any Saturdays or Sundays. Pretty nifty if that's important to you. And then meeting dates, this is just a ran between dates. I just hard coded this. I could do the same thing here. I just elected to do the work days and then define them accordingly. One other thing, if you need to make this static, any of the ran betweens, you just grab the information, copy, paste special. Paste special right here, values, or static. Hit F9, nothing happens. So just remove the values or paste special. I just put it back into its normal, but that's how you make it static. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.